Good morning, one and all. Today we discuss remaining problems of wave. Yesterday is completed up to fifth problem. Now, starting discuss from problem number 6. That is a closed argon pipe length 70 centimeter long is sounded if the velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. What is the fundamental frequency of vibration of air column? Okay, a argon pipe having that is even the ratio of frequencies ratio is like this. The frequency of vibration of notes or vibration, that is ratio is 1:3:5. That is the even frequency ranges. Okay, here what is the is given, the argon pipe length is given. Argon pipe is like, that is argon pipe means it is a one end is closed, one end is opened, form a wave. Okay, this is antinodes, the nodes will be formed. Okay, now here length of the pipe, the distance of the pipe, that is L is equal to 70 centimeter, and also V is equal to given 331 meter per second. Okay, it is in centimeter, that can be converted into meters, that is 70 into 10 to the power of -2 meters. Okay, we know the distance between the node, antinode to node is length is equal to lambda by 2, that is lambda by 2. Okay, L is equal to L is equal to lambda by 2. It is lambda by 4. Antinode is L is equal to lambda by 2. Node to node length is lambda by 2, and antinodes to nodes L is equal to lambda by 4. Okay, that is antinode to node, this length is lambda by 4. Okay, L is equal to lambda by 4. What is the we want which one find out? The fundamental frequency of vibrating air of the column. Okay, frequency of the fundamental frequency of the vibration of air column. Okay, frequency is equal to, what is the relation? Frequency is equal to V by lambda, that is V by lambda is equal to 4L. Lambda is equal to 4L. Okay, velocity of this sound is 331 by 4 into length of the string is 70 into 10 to the power of -2 meters. Okay, now we can calculate. After calculating, we get the frequency of the vibration of air column is 118.2 Hz. It is the fundamental frequency of vibration of air column. Okay, the next problem is 7th problem. This is the 6th problem, that is solution. Next 7th problem is a vertical tube is made to stand in a water so that the water level can be adjusted. The sound waves of the frequency 320 Hz are sent into the top of the tube. If standing wave are produced at two successive water level of at 20 centimeter and at 73 centimeter, what is the speed of sound waves in the air in the tube? Okay, here the frequency is given. Okay, now seventh problem solution. Okay, here the frequency is given. Frequency is given and length of the water level is given, L1 and L2 is given. In the seventh problem solution is length of the tube is L is equal to at 20 centimeter, L2 is equal to 73 centimeter. That is centimeter can be converted into meters. 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. L2 is equal to, that is 73. 70 centimeter means 73 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Meters converted means 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. Okay, see the frequency is given. Frequency of sound wave is 320 Hz. We want to find the speed of the sound wave in a tube. The tube is given. In this we can take water up to certain level. We can level it can be replace the two successive one pipe is inside the water. Okay, here wave are like from, okay, that is antinode, that is node, and also another one at second level. At second level water level is up to here. Okay, that is here L2 is equal to 3 lambda by 4, that is L1 is equal to lambda by 4. The distance between the antinode to node is lambda by 4. Here at two nodes, two antinodes are forming. The L2 is length of the antinode nodes is L2 is equal to 3 lambda by 4. Now the difference between the two lengths, that is hence L2 minus L1 or L1 minus L2, that is 3 lambda by 4 minus lambda by 4. Take LCM, 4 3 lambda by 3 lambda, that is 2 lambda by 4, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, that is lambda by 2. That is L2 minus L1 is the change in length of variation is lambda by 2. Okay, here the lambda is we can write down from this equation, lambda is 2 into L2 minus L1. This is a lambda. Frequency is given 320 20 edges. What is the relation? F is equal to V by lambda. V is equal to F into lambda, frequency into wavelength of the wave. Okay, velocity of the or speed of the wave is frequency 320 edges into 2 into L2 minus L1. Okay, you know L1 values, L2 values, substitute in the equation. 320 into 2 into L2, 73 into 10 to the power of minus 2 minus 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Okay, we can calculate. After calculating, we get 339.2 or 339 meters meter per second. That is the velocity of the speed of the sound in a air in a tube. It is the velocity of the sound in a tube. Next, eighth problem is two organ pipes of length 65 meters and 70 centimeter respectively are sounded simultaneously. How many beats per second will be produced between the fundamental of frequency of two pipes? You know, the is given the velocity of sound 330 meter per second. Okay, two organ pipes having one end, it is L1, L2, one pipe, two pipes, that is centimeter. Length is 60, L1 is equal to 65 centimeter, L2 is 70 centimeter. Okay, and velocity of given. Eighth problem. Eighth one, frequencies. Okay, the velocity of sound or speed of V is equal to 330 meter per second. L1 is equal to 65 centimeter. That can be converted into meters. That is 0.65 meters. L2 is equal to 70 centimeter. That is 0.70 meters, or 65 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, or 70 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, as you wish. Okay, V is given, L is given. We can find the frequency of two pipes, F1 and F2. What is the frequency of first pipe? What is the frequency of second pipe? Will be produced between the two frequencies, two pipes. Okay, for second, in how many beats? Okay, beats, that means beats, beat frequency, that is delta nu is equal to F2 minus F1. We can find the beat frequency. Okay, that is beat frequency. Delta nu is equal to F2 minus F1. that is relation f1. F1 is equal to v by 2 L1. F2 is equal to v by v is constant speed of the sound wave. The length will be changes to organ pipes to L2. So substitute these values in the frequency v by 2 L1 minus v by 2 L2. Okay, from the above equation we know speed of the sound wave, that is 330 per meter per second. Okay, 2 into L1, length of the first pipe is 65 centimeter, that means converted to meter, 65 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters minus 330 by L2 is equal to 70 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Okay, calculating above equation, we get the fundamental frequency 18 Hz. After calculation we get the fundamental beat frequency 18 beat frequency is observed at 2 pipes, that is 18 Hz. In between the two pipes we get the beat frequency 18 Hz. Now next, ninth problem is a train sounds its whistle as it approaches and across a level crossing an observer. At the crossing measure a frequency of 219 Hz as the train approaches, and the frequency of 184 Hz at its leaves. If the speed of the sound taken up to be 340 meter per second, find the speed of the train and frequency of the whistle. Okay, the train sounds its whistle operant across the level crossing an observer. At crossing measure the frequency is given. Okay, now we can find the speed of the train as well as frequency of the whistle. Okay, solution of ninth problem, that is source as a train and observer at rest. In the first case, the train approaches towards the observer. What is the frequency? That is nu 1 is equal to v by v minus vs. That is the frequency when source is towards the observer. The frequency of source or vs is v by v minus vs. V is the velocity of the sound, vs is the speed of the sound wave, vs is the speed of the source. Here we can consider a train as a source is coming towards. That is equation number 1. Next, other case, source, that is train, and observer are approaches to, this train is away from the source. After a certain time the train is move away from the source, that is away from the source, that is source is given here. The source is goes away from the observer. This is rest position, observer rest position. The train is moving away from the source. First case is towards the observer, is the frequency is nu s is equal to v by v minus vs. Equation number 1. The next case, second case, that is nu is 1 nu s2 is equal to v by v plus vs. At this point velocity is increases, speed of the sound is increases, source is approaches the observer. Away from the observer, the velocity, sorry, here new frequency at second case, this first case, second case source is away from the observer, that is first case is source is towards the observer. Okay, that is for equation number 2. Okay, we can take a ratio of two equations, that is equation number 1 by equation number 2, that is nu s1 by nu s2 or nu dash by nu double dash, as you wish, that is v by v minus vs by v plus vs, v cancel, that is v plus vs by v minus vs, that means it is fourth column goes upwards, this will come to down. Okay, that is the ratio of the frequencies is nu dash by nu double dash is equal to v plus vs by v minus vs. Okay, here frequency of the first frequency is f1 is given, that is 219 hertz. f2 is equal to 340, sorry, f2 is equal to 184 hertz, and velocity of the sound is 340 meter per second. f1 is given 219 hertz, f2 is given 184 hertz, velocity of the speed of the sound wave 340 meter per second. These values substitute in the above equation, we get the speed of the source or speed of the train, that is frequency 1 219 by 184 is equal to v is equal to 340 plus vs, v 340 minus vs, taking cross multiplication, that is 340 plus vs into 184 is equal to 340 minus vs into 219. Okay, after calculation we get the speed of the train, that is vs is equal to vs, we get 29.5 meter per second, that is speed of train. The speed of train is equal to 29.5 meter per second. Okay, next from the equation number 1, whistle, frequency of the whistle, frequency of whistle, that is nu naught is equal to nu dash v minus vs by v. Okay, from the equation number 1. Okay, nu naught is equal to the frequency of visual or observer, that is nu dash is nu1, 219, speed of the sound wave is 340 minus 29.5 divided by 340. Okay, that is approximately 199.2, that is it is approximately 200 hertz. That is a frequency of whistle is 200 hertz. Now the last problem of wave, that is 10th problem. Two trucks heading in opposite direction with speed of 60 km per hour and 70 km per hour respectively. The first truck is speed is 60 meter per hour. The second truck with speed 70 meter per hour respectively approaches each other. The driver of first truck sounds his from horn. Frequency is 400 Hz. What frequency does the driver of sound truck hear? The velocity of the velocity of the sound is 330 meter per second. After two trucks have passed each other, what frequency does the driver of second truck hear? Okay. Now, okay, 10th problem, the solution is truck 1 towards the T2, truck 2 towards the T1. That means truck 1 has a source, truck 2 as a observer. That is, okay, both will be moving to their approaches. What is the frequencies? That is Vs is equal to nu naught V plus V naught by V minus Vs. It is the frequency of observer. That is relation nu s, that is frequency of source, that is nu naught is frequency of observer, V is the speed of the speed of the sound in here, that is V naught is the speed of the observer, V is the speed of the, okay, Vs is the speed of the source. Here Vs is given, that is 60, that is truck 1, truck as a source, that is first truck speed is 60 km per hour. Next V naught, that is speed of the truck 2, like as a observer, that is 70 km per hour. Okay, now that is, okay, that is converted to in meter per second square, that is Vs is equal to 60 km per hour, that is 60 into, it can be converted into meter per second, 60 into 5 by 18 meter per second, that is 300, 6 5 30, 300 by 18 meter per second. Next V naught, second truck speed is 70 km per hour, that is 70 into 5 by 18, that is in per meter per second, that is 350 by 18 meter per second. Okay, first case, both truck 1 and truck 2 will be approaches each other. Truck 1, truck 2 are approaches approaches each other, that is nu s is equal to nu naught into v plus v naught by v minus vs. That is the relation when both will be in moving. Okay, we can substitute the all values in the above equation. That is frequency of first truck, that is source, that is nu naught is given. Frequency of nu naught is truck 1 frequency. Nu naught is given 400 hertz. Okay, that is 400 into v. Speed of the sound wave is v is equal to 330 meter per second. Okay, substitute all values. V is equal to 330 plus v naught. V naught is equal to 350 by 18 by 330 minus vs 300 by 18 whole bracket. Okay, after simplifying we get the frequency of source or truck 1, that is 600 hertz. That means when both will be in approaches each other, the frequency of source will be increases. It is first case. The second case, they are moving opposite direction. Truck 1 and truck 2 are moving opposite direction. Okay, what is the relation? Nu s is equal to nu naught v minus v naught by v plus vs. That is, in the first case, see here, nu is equal to nu naught plus into v plus v naught. Here v minus vs. This is opposite. Here only changing the plus minus to plus, plus to minus. That is only changing the direction. That's why only changing the plus comes to minus, minus comes to plus. Okay, we can substitute the all values. You know, nu is equal to nu naught is equal to 400 v 330 minus v naught v naught 300 by 18 divided by 330 plus, sorry, it is 3 v naught 350, sorry, 350. It is 300 by 18 whole bracket. Okay, we get 270 hertz. That is, yes, the frequency of the source is, that means both are moving in the opposite direction. The source and observer moving opposite direction. The sound, the frequency of source will be decreases. That means the sound will be decreases. That means both will be away from the, both will be more distance. Okay, now discuss one example problem and after effect. A rocket is moving at speed of 200 meter per second towards a stationary target. While moving, it emits a wave of frequency 1000 hertz. Some of the sound reaching the target gets reflected back to the rocket as in echo. Calculate the frequency of sound detected by the target, and next the frequency of the echo as detected by the rocket. This is an example problem. Now we can solve. Example problem, that is 1.7. Solution is, we know 200 V is equal to speed of the rocket is 200 meter per second. It is toward stationary. It emits the frequency f is equal to 1000 Hz. Now we can calculate the frequency of the sound detected by target. Next, frequency of the echo as detected by rocket. The first case, observer at rest and source is moving with speed v is equal to 200 meter per second. The velocity of the sound in here, v is equal to 330 meter per second. Okay, we can find the frequency of the calculate the frequency of the sound detected by target. That is, first case, nu is equal to, or nu s is equal to nu naught 1 minus v s by v inverse, or nu s is equal to nu naught v by vs minus v. That is a relation. Okay, we can substitute the nu naught is equal to 1000 Hz, v is equal to 330 meter per second. Okay, vs is equal to 200 meter per second. Substituting these values in the above equation, frequency of source at first case is equal to nu naught 1000 into v 330 by 330 vs 200 minus v 330. Okay, we get, that is 200, 300. We get, after calculation, we get the frequency of the sound wave at deflected by target. That is, nu s is equal to 2539. It is approximately 2540 Hz. Okay, next case, the first case. Okay, when it is observer at rest position, source is moving with velocity 200 meter per second. That is the first case. Okay, that is, observer is rest, source is towards the observer. The second case, observer moving toward the source. The next case is observer moving towards the source. Okay, that is relation nu dash or nu s is equal to nu naught v plus v naught by v. Okay, these are okay. Now we can substitute the nu s is equal to nu naught, that is 1000 v. V is equal to 330 plus 200 v naught or vs, 200 by 330. We get the, sorry, here nu naught, nu 1, nu s is starting is 2540 edges. Okay, we get the 4080 edges. That is the second case, that is nu 2, when observer is moving towards the observer is moving toward the source. We get the highest frequency. Here also lowest frequency. Okay, we get nearest to the source, we get the highest sound, highest frequency. Thank you, one and all.